Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Simone here. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. To get started, we are going to be using a 360 lace frontal wig from Premier Lace Wigs. Okay, and it is a textured unit. It's a nice feel to it, and I love it because it looks so natural. So I'm always down to using a textured unit to show you guys a different technique, how to use it, and why I think it's something that you guys should definitely consider. You guys know I like to customize my units to my liking. The knots also on this unit did not come bleached. I want to make that clear to you guys. So I actually found a way around it, which I'll show you guys later. You already probably know what it is, but I'll show you guys that later. To get a natural hairline, the unit needs to be plucked, okay? And I cannot stress that enough. And it needs to be customized to what you prefer. Me, however, I prefer for my hairline to be thinner in the front, making the hairline kind of like flow gradiently into the rest of my hair. So not too thin because you don't want it to be bald, but thin enough to kind of like mimic The best part about this hair texture is it's actually very easy to maintain. Now, when you take it out the box, it's gonna feel and look like way too much hair to handle, and it's gonna be very overwhelming. But once you style it, the hair actually is easier to deal with. So there's several ways to keep this type of hair under control, which I'm here to explain to you guys. So one way to maintain this type of wig and hair texture is by straightening it, and that makes it a whole lot easier to maintain. It makes it easier to deal with. It's not as hard, and it kind of flattens out the puffiness of the hair. That's what we're going to be doing later in the video. And also another way to maintain and keep the hair from feeling so puffy and wild is to actually curl it. I'm not going to curl it in this video, but you can do that to kind of like flatten out the puffiness again. I think the real key here though is you must style this type of hair in small sections. This hair kind of mimics our hair, it mimics, my hair texture. And, usually when we're doing our hair, we have to kind of do it in small sections. So kind of treat this hair, this wig, as if it was like your hair texture. If you want to wear the hair wild and free, then you're totally free to do that. But I'm not going to really do that for this video. I'm going to kind of style it for you guys. I feel like I have a small face, and if I were to do that, it would just be like too much. So I have to actually flatten out some of the puffiness. As for my installation process, it is my typical, my usual. You guys know I swear by Gotta Be Glued. I swear by the Gotta Be Glued holding spray. I like it way much more than any type of other product, and I like it way much more, which is not even correct grammar, but I like it so much more than actual glue. I don't like glue at all. So as you guys also noticed, I have a stocking cap on, and the only reason why I have a stocking cap on is because I was wearing it for like the entire week. But this is why it's important to make sure your stocking cap is melted, honey, into your scalp, into your skin, because the left side was starting to roll up a little bit. But I was like, let's see if we can still try to put this wig on and, kind of ignore it. But you can clearly see right through the lace that the stocking cap is showing, which I did fix later on. After I did the whole installation process. But oh my god, this lace is amazing. Like, it literally melted into my skin. It looked great. This is, again, with me not even tinting the lace. This is with me not even putting any makeup on the lace yet. But it looks so good. And I didn't bleach the knots, but if you want to bleach knots, go ahead. But yeah, I just took my time with installing, using the end of a rat tail comb to kind of press in the lace into my skin and making sure that I really sat there and blow dried everything that needed to be blow dried. Now that I pulled out some hairs that I want to kind of make into like baby hairs. Now the lace in the back, I'm gonna cut it, so ignore that. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my swoopies. I love the look that it gives the entire wig. I feel like it adds like an extra like, ooh, a little spark or something to it. So that's why I actually ended up doing it. But just take your time doing this. You don't want to overdo it. I always tell you guys that. Baby hair is cute, but it's not cute when you overdo it. I think it looks really, 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 really good. Like, again, we're going to fix the stocking cap underneath that you possibly can see. But for right now, I think it looks really good. And then I did try to go ahead and use spray. I kind of went with spray and gel. I like to use both. I like to use a mixture of both. So as I was mentioning to you guys before, in order to make this hair a little more seamless and not be so puffy, you will have to apply heat to it. So here I am just showing you guys how it looked after I installed it. I think it looks great. If you have a hot comb, skip the blow drying process. But you can see that after you blow dry it does flatten out the hair a little bit. It looks more easy to maintain, more easy to style, more easy to deal with. So just spend that time on styling the hair, whether it's flattening it or curling it. Alright guys, just keep straightening, keep focusing on that. I thought it came out really good. I thought it actually came out really amazing. I loved my end result, to be honest, and I felt like it looked really, 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 really natural, as you can see. If you are having the issue where the stocking cap is showing underneath, just go ahead and put like some brown eyeshadow or black eyeshadow and dab it over the hairline, which I will do towards the end. But I thought it looked really good. I don't know, am I the only one that thought that? But I was in love with the end result. As usual, I am going back and just nipping off any pieces of lace that I feel do not belong. And then I did try 2 different hairstyles. I tried a braid going straight to the back just to try something different. And I just took a little piece of hair and scooped it back and did 1 braid. And I thought it was pretty cute. I would have kept it in longer, but I was trying to show you guys 2 different hairstyles. So the next one I'm going to show you is me just doing a regular half up, half down. But I loved the braid. I thought it was so cute. And I actually should have kept it. I'm kind of mad I didn't. What made this hair look really natural is the plucking. It's the plucking that did the job. But yes, put the eyeshadow on it or it will look nuts.